Hello. Today we're going to be talking about verbal description. We're giving you the verbal description and we're going to create an equation, a table, and a graph. We're also going to show you how to access the Desmos graphing calculator app. So if you do not have that, there is a picture of it right here. It's green, and you can upload that. There are 3 more problems after this. I'm going to do problem 1 with you. Then in the Zoom together, we will be working through 2, 3, and then 4. If for some reason you're not in the Zoom, then you can refer to the soft copy key in Schoology to check your multiple representations for accuracy for experiences 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you've landed your first job at Starbucks. You'll earn $15 per hour. Because of your age, you are only legally allowed to work 6 hours a day. Use the table to determine the total amount of money you can earn in any given amount of days. Okay, I'm going to label this hours. And then our money will be our Y. So they are telling us that we can earn 15 per hour. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. For 1 hour, how much money can I make? $15. This is like your in and out, input and output charts that you used in 4th and 5th grade. So if I input 2 hours, then I'll make 30. And then if I input 3 hours, 45. 4 hours is 60. And since you're plugging it into the table, we've populated this to where, excuse me, it's building the graph. 5 and 75. And then they said up to, I'm going to keep pushing 6. 6 hours would be 90. So what are we doing to be able to get, say we worked 5 hours. How do I know that I'm going to get $75? Well, we know we're getting $15. Okay, times X, so that could be times 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then that would equal my Y. Upload a photo here. Have our photo. Now your Desmos app. Make sure you have this uploaded. Have it in your toolbar below. Oh, and I already had it populated. So I will erase these and start over. I was practicing to make sure I was going to have it okay for y'all. Okay, see the little plus sign. If you click on the plus sign and you see where it says table, you push in table and it's going to give you a table. Like now here it just gave me a new table. I'm going to get rid of that table. In here I can just plug in my X's. 1, 2, 3. These are all representing your hours. And then 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90. And now you can see that it's graphed it over here to the right. So you'll have access to this. You can title your graph. We can call this job because it was their first job, right? Save. And then you can come up to the little wrench and it says x-axis is my hours and my y-axis is my money. And you have labeled your graph. There you have Desmos. Okay. So you're going to work through experience 2, experience 3, and experience 4. Okay, now remember when you're dealing with a multiplicative that goes through 0, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So you're going to have equations where you might be dividing, but it's still going to be multiplicative. Okay?